Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have some Jamaican food from Donna'S.
You know we gotta get this spot when we come to the Lauderdale. You know what I'm saying, family?
But why are we eating Donna'S today, my love?
Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building, and we're in front of a strip club, so me and First Lady probably go over there. No?
I don't mind.
Oh shit. I don't mind. Yeah, First Lady, you going to see what the money you're making?
Wait a minute. It got dark again?
Yeah, but you go in and out.
Oh, go in and out?
Yeah.
And people don't know. Okay, guys, listen, we're in the car. We're doing our mukbang.
And you know it's kind of cloudy out here, so I know you could see us. You know, look, it may look like this, but when they're watching it, we all up in their face.
It might look brighter. I hope so, because if it's dark, I'm gonna be upset. But we're sorry.
Sorry, but no, family. You know, first of all, you know what it is already. We missed y'all yesterday.
I know.
You know that, family. We so busy, and we still busy right now. That's why we down here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, what we got today, First Lady?
What I have is fried chicken with curry goat gravy.
Damn, that looks
with coleslaw.
I even put mine in.
I normally get oxtail gravy, but I felt like a curry goat gravy today.
Okay, what I got over here, you know I gotta have the white meat. Hold on, if it drop my Bex, you know?
More than
Bex, you know? White meat, you know? Look at it. There we go. Look, I know you guys see it. It's fine. I don't want to put it too close to the camera and then it's spilled, and then I don't eat my food. So that's it. I got the fried chicken, you know, that's a must. Then we also have on the side, we got a jerk chicken for greedy Shanice. So what? Curry goat gravy tastes good?
Curry goat tastes good.
Never tasted curry goat gravy.
And then it's spicy.
Then we have our little pepper sauce, cut up pepper sauce. Well, yeah, family, we about to get up in this good.
We are hungry.
Awesome, we hungry. Oh. You want to try the after? The jerk chicken?
Yeah.
All right. Let me taste the oxtail. I mean the rice.
The rice. From the curry goat.
You have time. We should buy it, you know? I see a lot of people buying it. You want to taste my oxtail gravy?
I know how that tastes. Because I always get that.
Family. First bite goes to y'all lovely people. I missed y'all. First Lady do too, but here we go. Take that the first bite. Okay? That was the rice.
We really did miss you guys.
Family, we so
felt
busy.
so bad, but we had to.
We so busy, but here, take a nice piece of the. Yeah. No, Richie, I don't like breast, but you gotta eat it. Here we go. Family, trust me, we busy, family. But you know, we have to come through. How's it? Good?
Good.
Listen. It's a crunch for me.
We even, right now, we had to go back to Ikea. And we have some stuff in the car from Ikea.
Oh, yeah,
you hear that?
Yeah, probably see it.
You might see it, you might not.
You might not,
but that's what I'm putting my hand on. And yesterday, they was in the house and they was making too much noise. We couldn't, and it was a madhouse. So
it was a madhouse, family.
So today, we'll definitely get them our Fast Food Friday. Because we don't have to do that in the house. We can do that as a bang. But you can't chat car bang.
This is nice. Family.
You ripping yours off, honey?
Yeah, want to take yours off? Okay.
Food heavy, man.
Family. Now, I want y'all to see it better.
Oh.
Here we go. You can see. All right, family. What I was gonna say? I was gonna say something. I forgot. Oh, here. Take a piece of plantain. There we go. Looks good, right? Yeah. That's plantain.
Sorry.
Jamaican call it plantain. Some people call it plantain. We call it plantain. And the store the lady look like I said, excuse me, you're not giving plantain them. She said, oh. I said, yeah. I need those too.
Let me tell you something. When y'all yum food, yardy food, the plantain set it off because it's that sweetness. You understand? So.
This was a go. Every time we here, family, y'all know every time we here, we gotta get this.
Can't pass it up.
We gotta get a fried chicken.
I hope you guys are having a good day. And I hope you guys have a good weekend planned. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't know how I'm gonna cook this weekend, but I'm gonna make it happen.
Yeah, she gotta make it. We gotta do them videos. You know what it is.
I might go to my sister's house and cook the food and then just bring it home because we can't cook in the kitchen.
Kitchen is tore up, family. What you need?
Which one is mine, honey?
That one right here in the front. This one. That one got too much ice. That's mine. This one, make it melt out. You want to drink some of mine?
Got this juice right here.
Got that juice.
It's called that booger sugar.
Booger sugar. That's that juice from my homeboy.
He makes juice and it is fire.
It makes juice and it's fire, family.
I know you're gonna ask. No, he doesn't have a website right now.
He doesn't have a website.
It's fire.
It's fire though.
And it's called booger sugar. Yes, it is booger sugar.
Booger sugar. It's hitting.
It's a weird name, but it's catchy.
It's good.
It's catchy and it's good.
It is excellent. No, I'm telling you. First lady's not a juice person.
That's true.
But the first lady say, yo, that's good, it's good. When he made us taste it, we said, nah, that's a That's a banger.
That's a go-go.
That's a go-go-go. Not a go-go, no, not like that, family. Your mind is far.
I bet go-go you think about. The strip club got you thinking, huh?
Thinking.
You gotta go in there and get a lap dance.
Go get that lap dance first lady right now. First lady said go get a lap dance, you see? Don't follow me. But yeah, this is good.
Fried chicken is on point.
On point, right?
I don't know who's the chef, but
Rasta going there, man.
they did good today. Especially with the goat, because you guys know when you're having curry goat, has to have some kind of spice.
It's spicy for you too today? I know.
Or have a little kick to it. Just a little.
What time we go?
Sorry, my love. I hope they can see us because.
Family, I hope you can see us. As I said, it's kind of cloudy.
Yeah.
And we try to get the best shade.
Yeah.
Hope you can see us. Comment down if you see us. Family, and the line out here is so long. I wish we could have shown y'all.
Especially because they're social distancing. So.
We gotta come get that special, family. Gotta get that special. Sorry. Good, you enjoying it?
I sure am.
Glad you're enjoying it. I'm surely enjoying mine. I'm gonna mash up that jerk chicken there too.
When we come here, we can't just get one food for Richie. He gotta get two food.
I used to buy 2 food because you want some. I'm telling you.
We gotta get 2 food.
I love the rice. The rice is shelly. Give you one more bite of rice, family. Here. There you go, family. Sorry for pushing too close to you. I know. Don't choke though. You know what I'm saying? What?
Chicken nice, man.
You're busy if you're not getting none, you know? You're busy, no?
I'm gonna tell you guys how.
Family, go ahead, sorry.
Go ahead, my baby love.
Family, I might just eat the next jerk chicken on camera too. Cool, right? You cool?
This is one good man.
Who's bad, man?
I'm tell you guys how. I went to Ikea.
First lady almost beat off the girl. I said, nah, first, let me handle this one.
I almost had to.
I had to calm first lady down. Tell him what happened.
I almost had to go back to my 20s.
First lady had to vent right now.
A long time in a beat a girl, no?
Long time in a beat a girl.
Long time in a beat a
Yo,
girl.
a long time first lady. Translation, let me translate. A long time first lady beat up a girl. Almost happened today, family. I had to calm first lady. First lady, I got this. Let me talk. Give him a brief summary, first lady.
Because, like we told you guys, we're doing some stuff in the house.
Yeah, we don't live close to.
We don't live close to Ikea. It's about 2.5 hour drive. So when we come here, we make sure that we get everything that we need. Because we now come back.
Facts.
All right. So we have a pull-out garbage can. So I'm asking her to pull up the plan that we have online because I want to make sure that we have a pull-out cabinet with the garbage and not just you open the cabinet and then you pull out the garbage can. I want when you open the cabinet, everything comes out at once. So she said, I don't have to pull up your plan. I saw your plan last night because I called Ikea asking them some questions. So she had our plan. So I guess she realized what we had, which I don't know why. Because when I spoke to her the night before, we didn't talk anything about a garbage can. So I don't know how she would know what garbage can I would need or we would need.
Right.
You understand? So she said, I saw the plan last night. So I said, but it doesn't matter. Pull up my plan because I want to make sure that I'm getting the right thing. I live too far.
True.
So she showed us the garbage can, and I was still confused because I'm like, wait a minute, we're supposed to have a garbage and a recycling. You're supposed to have 2 garbage cans, but she's only showing us 1. So then I said, I'm still don't understand why you only show me 1 garbage can when you have so many different sizes. She was like, yes, but it can go for any one. So I'm like, well, which one do I have? Which one do we have? Excuse me. So she said, well, I have a line of people. I said, that's not my problem, miss. I was here first. So you finish helping me and then you can go to your line of people or call backup.
Yeah.
You're not going to stop helping me to go help other people and I'm not finished with what I came here for.
True.
So she showed us and I said to her, miss, I'd rather you pull up the plan to show me so I can understand because I'm supposed to have 2 garbage cans and you keep on showing me 1.
Which is right.
Well, then she said, she started getting aggravated and I said, you know what? Go ahead and help your line of people. I'll have somebody else help me.
Yes.
I'm standing now in line again.
Very nicely and in decent manner.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm standing in line again and I'm waiting for somebody else to help. She ended up helping 2 more people in front of me, which is fine. She had an attitude with them. So she finally got to me and I said, yes, can you pull up my plan? So she's like, I'm not understanding why I had to pull up your plan. I said, because it's my plan. You're gonna refuse to pull up my plan?
Pay for it.
So that I paid for, that that we paid for, so that we can see what we have. I said, ma'am, we don't live down the block. We live almost 3 hours away. We need to make sure that what we're taking with us today is the right item. So she said, well, I've helped you enough already. I didn't know that there was an expiration on how long you can help a customer.
For real.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I knew that. There's an expiration date when how long you can help somebody.
I did not know that.
I feel like that. Comment down if you heard about that before.
So Richie saw I was getting aggravated, and Richie said, I got it. Let me talk, Shanice. Now listen to me. Y'all guys keep on dropping things in my mouth.
It's all right.
One thing about Richie is that you guys don't know. He won't say anything until he realizes, okay, it's getting a little bit out of hand. My wife is getting aggravated. Let me step over or start taking control. You don't want Richie to take control because Richie would talk you to death. Richie will repeat himself 5,500 times until you give him what he wants. So you're better off dealing with me. Understand? So once Richie said, Shanice, I got it, I was submissive. I said, okay, honey, take the floor. He went ahead and said what he had to say to the lady. What did you say to her, my love?
Hold on.
Oh.
Family, we need a chicken kind of dry. Dry piece. We just jamming the family. Hold on, one. So, what's the one with that? Shall I crank up? No? Alright, listen. So, family. As I first said, alright, let me take it over from here because I already seen where it's going, you know? Don't mess with first lady. The first lady cute, but when you piss off first lady fight and beat up again. So, family. So, I said to her, I said, alright, could you pull up our plan because we want to make sure that a garbage can. Oh, I already told you what garbage can is already. I don't have to pull up a plan. And I said, we want you to pull up our plan because again, we live far and we're not gonna be driving here back and forth for nothing crazy. And you know what I mean? And you can just pull up. Oh no, getting loud. And then she started getting loud. We said, all right, so The other guy heard her, right? Because she was getting loud, and then we told her she was very aggressive. She got even louder. And we saw how you was dealing with every other people here, and you was same way aggressive and stuff like that. So the other guy came up to us, and that guy too, we cursed him out one time too. He didn't remember us because he was giving us a hard time too. Probably I hate when people, we know what we be talking about, when we know what we want, they want to give you a different way. You know what I'm saying? Like we don't know. But anyway, so he said, okay, no problem. I'll take it over for you. And so he sent her to the back. So he pulled up her plan, just like we asked. We all asked, he said, pull up her plan. He pulled up her plan. He said, okay, what else do you need? We showed him that, the garbage can right there. And he's like, oh, you could put different size garbage can in there.
That's all
you don't
we
have
wanted
to put
to
one.
know.
That's all we wanted to put. Sorry. That's all we wanted to know. You don't have to put one. So we said, that's all we wanted to know. We could put 2 or 1 in a different size. All she told us is just one size that goes in there. That's like, it don't make no sense. It got to be
because why do you have all these different size garbage
Exactly. Yeah. So family. Then she told First Lady, showed us, oh, I'm done. I was helping you all the time. I'm done helping you. Anyway, she went to the back. Still complaining and start bawling. She started crying. And they explained to the guy, oh, I was helping him too much. But listen, you work in that field. You supposed to be helping people as long as it takes. That's your job. You know what I'm saying? You want to make it like we're bothering you. We're not bothering you. Why would you want to work there?
We paid our money.
Exactly.
And I was still nice to her.
And first, it was still nice to her.
All I said to her was, Miss, you're being very aggressive. Which she was.
I feel like that.
I said, I'm asking you to pull up my plan.
Exactly.
So we can see exactly what kind of garbage we have to make sure we're getting the right size. I understand that you're all standard as far as the sizing, but I would think it holds 2 garbage cans. But you didn't tell us that. You kept on insisting that we only can get the one that holds 1. The guy is the one who said, no, you can get 2 garbage cans. Exactly. So we rather go with 2 garbage cans in the pull-out. But she never told us that. So that's what I was trying to understand. Like, why are you so fixated on giving us the 1 garbage can when Ikea has a plethora of choices
you can make?
You understand?
Yeah.
So the guy helped us, and I said, thank you so much for helping us, because she kept on trying to give us 1 garbage can, and you showed us that we can get 2. So we appreciate it. And
that was it.
She was still in there complaining to him and crying. After she was aggressive towards us. You understand what I'm saying? I don't understand that. How you gonna be aggressive and you want carry on the most way, and then you want to start bolly. Don't ball. Stand on your 10 toes.
She come like she in a daycare. But yeah, fam, that was just a little situation. Then before we reach Ikea, somebody run us off the road. Somebody run us off the road, family, and just hit it on us, run us off the road. So we was going in the same spot. We was going to Ikea. So we was going there. So when the person turned off, it was a white car. When the person turned off, we said, okay, he's turning to Ikea. When we turned Ikea, the person disappeared. So I pulled up now. Thought it was the car. Oh my God, I feel so sorry for the people. 2 old people. I said, excuse me, I just run us off the road. They said, no, we didn't. I didn't remember that. I said, yeah, I sure you had to remember that. He said, no, I'm sorry if I did. I'm so sorry. Family.
It wasn't even them.
It was the wrong car, but we finally found the right car. But the person was running to go to work. Ran us off the road. There was not even no more road. You know, we was in a lane, and the only thing was there was a sidewalk.
Basically, went on the sidewalk.
Basically, he took the sidewalk and zoomed past us. If we'd drove up any little sooner, we'd have been sideswiped all. So family, so I was saying now, the guy run us off the road. And then I felt sorry for the old people, and then we seen them and everything, and then they didn't recognize us too. So me and First Lady had to mask off because I was gonna say sorry. First Lady said, I know you're thinking about that and you want to look for the people them, but I wanted to say sorry because it wasn't them. But we finally found the right car. The person was running to work, family. If I'm gonna be late for work, I'm just gonna be late. I'm not gonna race or kill myself, and God forbid if something gonna happen to you. They're gonna say, oh, I was running to work. Come on, that don't make no sense. But other than that,
but remember that story?
You remember? I'll take that the next story time.
Next story time.
A true story where I used to work, my 2 friends.
Yep, that's the next time.
That's the next time. I'll let you know. So comment if you want to hear story time. I'm gonna tell you that one. But other than that, our day been fine other than that, you know what I'm saying? So look at this.
Ooh,
don't judge me. I know. Don't judge me. I had to go taste it before. Now, this is the jerk chicken. This is the jerk chicken. First Lady, I didn't cancel the chicken.
Yeah, chicken look good in mine.
Jerk chicken, that's right here. So I'm gonna taste some of it because you know I gotta taste it before I drive off. Okay, if I drive off and it don't taste good, I'm gonna tell First Lady, go tell us it don't taste good. But I'm still gonna eat it. So
you see how you always say, I'm gonna tell First Lady, go tell them? No, you go tell them.
So family, here. Just take whatever you want out of the plate because I'm not gonna be here long. I'm just gonna taste a little bit. So I got jerk chicken, white meat with the oxtail gravy. So I'm gonna eat a little bit and then whatever. So I'm gonna take a couple spoons then.
Because I chew in one yam it off camera, so I'm not judge him.
Yeah, I want to eat off camera and I want to sit down and brush it down properly. I'm here first, I just watch people and chat them. So family, let me give you a word of wisdom. We appreciate y'all. You know we definitely missed y'all, so don't listen. We made it up for y'all right now. Word of wisdom. First lady, listen to this one. Family, listen to this one,
now
please.
Listen, man.
Okay. Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your past.
Ooh! You get a kiss for that one.
Yo. Let's eat. Push on this eat.
Be quiet.
So, family, if you could relate. If you like that one, comment down and we know y'all like it. We appreciate y'all. You know. Thank you for watching the show where we talk about anything. This is First Lady, aka Shanice. This is Richie, aka Pastor Richie. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are
the Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.